Today in crypto. Crypto asset manager Valkyrie has launched an exchange-traded fund with exposure to Bitcoin on the Nasdaq Stock Market. In a Wednesday SEC filing, Valkyrie said its Balance Sheet Opportunities ETF will not invest directly in Bitcoin, BTC, but 80% of its net assets would offer exposure to the crypto asset through securities of U.S. companies with BTC on their balance sheets. These companies may include custodians, crypto exchanges, and traders. Continue reading on Telegraph. On Wednesday, the United States Federal Reserve wrapped up its final policy meeting of 2021 by voting to keep interest rates at record lows. In doing so, the Fed set the stage for a series of interest rate hikes beginning in the spring, which will be accompanied by a more accelerated taper of its bond buying program. While the Fed's decision to reduce market liquidity could impact crypto investors in the short term, Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and DeFi are carving out their own narratives heading into 2022. Those narratives could supersede the latest episode of central bank tightening. Block's Cash App will allow users to gift BTC for the holidays. KKR leads $350 million raise for crypto custody bank Anchorage Digital. Binance partners with Indonesian telco to develop new crypto exchange. Crypto payments solutions firm Ramp raises $53 million to increase adoption of dApps. Continue reading on Telegraph. The Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, has been working with the Ukrainian government on their national central bank digital currency, CBDC, for a while. The collaboration has started to produce results as the SDF, BIT, and Tascombank recently deployed a pilot project for the electronic hryvnia on this network. Related reading, an introduction to Stellar and XLM, mission, control, and consensus. Per a press release, the partners will test the CBDC's use cases and its programmable capabilities. These will be leveraged to pay employees at a company called DIA, and to perform payments to merchants and individuals. According to the release published by BIT, the project has been under the supervision of the National Bank of Ukraine, aided by their Ministry of Digital Transformation. In that sense, Ukraine's Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation, Alexander Bornyakov, commented the following on their CBDC's test phase: "This pilot project will serve as a technological basis for the issuance of electronic money and is the next key step to advance innovation of payment and financial infrastructure in Ukraine." During the trial on Stellar, the partners will also test the capacity to issue digital currency with asset control capabilities for issuers. The banking institution will be in charge of testing the implementation of the hryvnia on BIT's digital currency management system, DCMS. The latter company has been in charge of developing a stablecoin with its payment rails for the National Bank of Belize, and it's behind the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, ECCB, initiative to launch a CBDC. The target for this project, per its official website, is to increase opportunities for financial growth. Similar to this project, the digital hryvnia will use the modern software techniques and alleged scalable and performant benefits from the DCMS. This system will protect the user's data while regulatory bodies still can access needed information. The official website adds the following on their DCMS: security is designed to use secure defaults, minimize attack surfaces, and provide defense in depth. Independent modules allow each component to scale independently of others, allowing automatic adjustment to meet variable demands. With its DCMS system, BIT will provide secure minting, currency manager, and a monetary transaction network, thus tackling three of the most important items in every CBDC project. Volodymyr Duby, chairman of the Tascombank, said, "Cooperation with BIT to build on Stellar allows us to connect our core banking system with blockchain-based infrastructure, creating an ecosystem that includes a full range of banking products and operations with electronic currency on the Stellar blockchain." Duby also expressed excitement to improve the country's financial products by using virtual assets. The Ukrainian Central Bank and Tascombank have long-term strategies that include innovation supported on blockchain technology and the digital economy. Executive Director and CEO of the Stellar Development Foundation Daniel Dixon added the following: "Stellar is an open network that was designed with asset issuance in mind, and is uniquely suited to assets like the electronic hryvnia. It offers issuers, like Tascombank, a suite of controls that they can configure for their asset control needs while maintaining the interoperability and flexibility of an open ledger. Related reading: stellar to launch new Europe-Africa payment corridor with this partner as of press time. XLM trades at $0.26 with a 2.9% loss in the past 24 hours. The two firms successfully executed cross-realm and end-to-end digital asset transactions with the pilot test, which can also settle securities and forex. On Thursday, HSBC and IBM announced the successful test of an advanced token and digital wallet settlement between two central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, in a cloud environment. The experiment consisted of transactions between CBDCs, e-bonds, and forex. IBM's Hyperledger Fabric and enterprise technology provider R3's Cordis served as the basis of the distributed ledger facilitating the transactions. The project was overseen by central bank Banque de France as part of a series of tranche projects to implement a digital euro. Previously, the French and Swiss central banks reported positive results on a pilot run of the digital Swiss franc and euro. Nevertheless, the two financial institutions issued caution on the subject, citing regulatory concerns. Mark Williamson, managing director of GFXC Risk, Partnerships and Propositions at HSBC, said. Likit Wagle, general manager of global banking and financial markets at IBM, added, across the world, CBDCs are gaining traction in part due to their utility as a means to combat the rises of stablecoins, which, to some, represent a threat to the financial system. This month alone, Australian Reserve Bank's Project Atom CBDC research uncovered numerous benefits. Around the same time, Kazakhstan Central Bank reported positive results on its CBDC pilot project. The Eastern Caribbean CBDC expanded to 2 other countries, and Russia is prioritizing the development of a digital ruble. The world's biggest country will reach a crossroads on crypto regulation as it enters 2022. On Thursday, conflicting reports emerged in Russia on the state of crypto regulatory affairs. First, a report by Reuters indicated that the Central Bank of Russia is seeking a ban on cryptocurrencies, citing risks to financial stability and the exploding volume of transactions. If enacted, the move would align with remarks made by Russian President Vladimir Putin last month, who stated that cryptocurrencies bear high risks at an investment forum in Moscow. The nation's central bank is currently preparing an advisory report on the issue. However, Anatoly Aksakov, chairman of the Duma, Russian Parliament, Committee on Financial Markets, gave the following statement in a press conference the same day, as reported by local news outlet Interfax.ru and translated by Telegraph. Chairman Aksakov also voiced his support cryptocurrency mining regulation in the country, citing factors such as mining taxation and business electricity consumption. Authorities in the country prioritize launching a CBDC ruble and have enacted tough crackdowns on the private crypto sector, including banning mutual funds from investing in Bitcoin, BTC. Most recent figures suggest that Russians transact about $5 billion each year in cryptocurrencies. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.